Hey, ladies and gentlemen, how are you? Hope you're doing good. This is Annie Living Channel. It's your boy Chaps Bands as usual. So, Annie Living Channel, we talk about business ideas, we talk about business tips, and other a lot of things related to financial issues. And that here we always say it starts with you. So, it's time for you to also do something to change the state of your living. So this is Annie Living Channel. So we talk about very many different things. So today I'll be here to talk about how to make money. Yes, how to make money here in Uganda, and this is what we shall be discussing. So before I jump into straight to this topic, I just want to say thank you to all you guys in the diaspora who have managed to keep watching these videos, liking and sharing. Thank you guys. And also I want to thank you guys here back in Uganda who are also managing to watch these videos. I know you're doing well. Yes, according to the current situation, prices are rising each day here in Uganda, guys. I just want to say thank you for staying strong. Thank you for persisting. So this is the way. This is how to do it. Yeah, don't feel down. Don't lose hope. Everything will be okay soon. So guys, just keep pushing, keep moving forward. Don't give up. Stay on those hustle. Let's change our state. Let's find ways to earn a living. So today I want to discuss with you how to make money here in Uganda. So this one goes to someone who posed to me a question. There is some friend of mine, he asked me, and he was like, he wants to know what he or she can do, sorry, not she, what he can do just in case he has to come back to Uganda. So there are things here. I just collected some information here. There are some types of businesses I want to share with you today. So in case you too feel like you can't do them, you can't venture into them, then it's high time you do check on them. So I'll be discussing this video, these businesses and this information. I'll be sharing it with you here. And all these kind of businesses, you don't need a lot of money. It can be ranging from 1M and going beyond. Sorry, it's not a lot. It doesn't mean like it's not a lot of money to everyone. I know we are in different capacities. Someone can see 1M as much and another one can see 1M as little, like that. So according to these businesses, all of them are ranging from 1M and going beyond. So it depends on your pockets. If your pockets are well and fine, then you can invest in more, like that. So first of all, here on my list I have baking. So this one goes mostly to ladies, but also gents can go in for it. Baking is also a very good business here, whereby you can start from 1M to 1.5 and beyond. So here there are some equipments needed to do this kind of baking, because baking goes along with a lot. It carries a lot. They could be cakes, they could be different things. You can bake a lot of different things. So there are some things, gadgets, I don't know if I can call them gadgets or what, those things which are used in this baking industry. So another thing you need here, you need a good teacher, because at first you'll be zero experience, zero. So you don't know the things, you don't know how to mix them, you don't know how to do them. So here, that's where you need a good teacher. So you'll need to pay some amount of money to that teacher of yours, so that he or she can give you different lessons on baking, so that you can get hands on the baking and make out some things which are delicious, which could bring you more customers and build your client base. So baking is one of the kind of businesses you can think about. This one you can also do it from your home. Yes, then supply these products to different places, might be schools, workplaces, different places like that. You can supply to different shops. Hope I'm correct, guys. Yeah, like that. So you can think about baking also. So this one is also one of a kind business which can help you get some money but you might need some patience because you need to learn all the skills so that at least you can come out with good baking. So this one can take you maybe a month to be perfect on everything, depending on your grasping abilities. As you know, we are different people with different abilities. So another thing which you can think of which can give you some quick money but little, quick money but little, is Boda Boda business. So Boda Boda business you can invest in. At the moment, Bajaj Boxer, it is around 4.7. I think soon it will be in 5M. So think about it. If you have your 5M and you're willing to invest maybe in 2 or 3 Bajaj Boxer, if you have your 15M, then you can think about it. So here you need to get trustworthy people, whereby you need to secure their IDs, you have to know where they stay, uh, all those details, you have to be with them so that you can give them these border borders. So these guys normally raise 10k per day, and a week it can be 60k depending on your agreement. So that means if you have 3 of them or 4 of them, 60 times 3 or 5 like that, then you'll be able to get some amount of money. But they also have their risks, and also you have also to cater for other things, maybe like servicing, things like that. But as you know, every business with its cons and pros. So if you need faster money, you can go for this border kind of business. So you can get 2 or 3 motorcycle, then these guys can start making money for you. Then another business you can think of, it is the juice and coffee business. Coffee and juice business machines. Yes, some of you feel like, no, me, I'm not into coffee, I can't make cappuccino, espresso, and other brands like that, different things, say like juice, what. But of recent, nowadays, if you've been to most ceremonies, big parties, even if small parties, like that, nowadays most people consider juice more than sodas and other soft drinks, these carbonated soft drinks. I don't know, guys, if if you've realized it of recent. Most people are considering this fresh juice. So here comes in the idea of renting out these machines. So if you have your good machines, you can rent them out for making coffee and juice. You can rent them out, buy these machines. After buying these machines, you can rent each machine 50k per ceremony. So how much money is that if you have like 5 or 10 machines like that? So these machines range from 800, 700 and above. So depending on which ones you like, then you can go out to renting these machines. Then they can also make you good money. So you can make all this money at the comfort of your home, whereby you just rent out these machines. So this same applies to those border borders. Still, you can be at the comfort of your home. These guys will just have to deposit your money, maybe on mobile money or banks or everywhere you wish. Then another thing which you can consider, this is another kind of business. As you know, nowadays still, as we are out of the lockdown, so very many things were opened up. So parties and other things are going on, events like that. So what you can think of is investing in plastic chairs and tents. Yes, you can go ahead to invest in plastic chairs and tents. Each plastic chair is only 50k. Sorry, is 250k each plastic chair. So if you buy your 50 plastic chairs and you rent each 2k, how much amount of money is that one? As you can see, do the calculation, guys. So another thing here about the tents, you can also buy tents from 500 to 1m. You can buy tents from 500. So you can buy each tent from 1M to, yeah, they range from 500 to 1M, like that. So you can go ahead to rent out these ones. Sorry about the disturbance and distraction, guys. So we are still on the tents. Then after getting these tents, after securing them, then you can also go ahead and rent them out with the chairs. Yes, so another thing you can think about of is the gifting business. So this one is also another kind of a business. You can also do it within the comfort of your home. So what you do here is uh, you have to get like spirits, flowers, things like that. So what you do, you have to get to know your town. You have to get to know your town. Good supermarkets around whereby you can get good things like chocolates, different types of wines, things which you can use to surprise people. Then you'll go like on a radio station around that area, put an advert, tell them that you have a service whereby you do surprises, things like that. Then you'll be able to get some contacts, digits like that. Then you'll be going ahead, clients will be giving you a job like to surprise their loved ones, girlfriends, things like that. Then for you, you'll be knowing places with good flowers, places with good wines and spirits, things like that. Then you'll be doing the wrapping and delivering those surprises with different types of messages. So this is a kind of business you can also do, or you can also think about all these businesses. They don't need a lot of money and they don't need experience. It's only around 1M, 500, and like that. So another thing you can think of is a cleaning company whereby you have to look for 2 or 3 more people, then join hands together, whereby you'll be able to go to different places like homes, uh, workplaces, banks, things like that. Request for cleaning. You can start by volunteering, giving them samples. Then you'll be able to get clients who will be able to give you some good money. Then you can advance this kind of business in future, whereby you can make it also a company and other things, whereby you'll be cleaning everything. Yes, so all these businesses you can make them into businesses. Soon I'll be also coming back with one by one as I've talked about them, because here I'm generalizing, I'm giving a summary of these kinds of business. So I think with time I'll be coming with one by one. I'll be talking about one by one. For example, like baking alone, I'll be talking about Boda Boda business alone, juice and coffee business alone, renting out tents and plastic chairs alone, then gifting business alone, and also cleaning company alone. I'll be talking about all those different ones, and I think others I've already managed to talk about them, for example like the beauty products. So this is also another business you can think about in case you want to make money when you're coming from abroad, things like that. So you can also think about beauty products. This should be oils and other things. You can start up this kind of business. If you need more details about this one, I'll leave a link in the description for a whole video about beauty products and how to start it. So all are outlined, what you need, things to consider before starting it, all these ones. So most of the times we talk about these businesses when you have questions. Others are always in those old videos. You can always go back and check through all those videos you've never watched. Some of the times you'll be able to learn about very many different new things from those videos. So another thing you can think of is a parking lot, guys. So if you're in places like towns, you can think about making a parking lot. You can rent some place around, then uh, try to fence it. Then you can start a parking lot whereby people will be bringing their cars, they park them there, then you charge them maybe per hour basis, depending on how you want to run your business like that. So most of the times we give these businesses, but guys, I also encourage you to go out and make more research about these kinds of businesses, because as you know, we are different. So everyone has a way he handles things. So something which might be difficult for you, another person, it might be a walkover. So always go ahead, make more research before you venture into these kinds of businesses. But I promise you, if you have a good mindset, if your mindset is positive, then you will always make it. You see, negativity always pushes us behind. Sometimes we don't feel that inner strength whereby we don't trust ourselves. We have a lot of doubts. We do things with a lot of doubts. That's why we fail, guys. So if you focused on something, I don't think you'll fail, because as you know, most of the times, uh, in schools, when someone performs badly, they always tell them to repeat. So also focus on your mistakes, guys. If you have those mistakes you've made, find a way of working out them, so that at least you can push on, yield good positive results like that. So this is an living channel where we talk about a lot of businesses. If you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing, hitting on the bell icon, so that you don't miss out on any updates from this channel, because we do upload a lot of content. And please kindly share with your friends. Don't stay with these ideas. If you watch something, you feel it's interesting, you feel like sharing it, share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from these videos. Because if you know something and you keep it to yourself, you don't benefit anything from it. So you rather share it with your friends, so that at least they can benefit. Yeah, sharing is caring. I'll always say that one, guys. Yes, don't stop on watching. If you've managed to reach on this video, don't be only a view, also be a like, and also be a sub. Why not then sharing? So that's it all, guys. That's it all for today. Thanks for watching till this part of the video. Thank you so much. Thank you. I have no way of appreciating you guys, only God bless you more. That's all for now. I have to leave you for this video. I guess we meet in the next video. I will be dropping more ideas, because this is an living channel whereby we have to talk about ideas which can help us, help everyone, so that at least we can make it, change the status we are in, all of us. Thank you again for watching. Let me stop from here. Bye.